If you want to turn on the custom scroll bar in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable it in just a few clicks. This is a simple setting, but it can make your browser feel a little more personalized and polished. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, go down and select Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can change all kinds of browser options. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. This is the section where Edge lets you control how the browser looks and behaves. After that, scroll down until you find the browser behavior and features and click it. This menu contains several display and interaction settings, including the custom scroll bar option. Now look for the setting that says Turn off custom scroll bars. If that option is switched on, it means custom scroll bars are disabled. To turn on custom scroll bars, simply toggle that setting off. Once you do that, Edge should now use the custom scroll bar style instead of the default one. You can now close the settings page and browse normally. If you don't notice the change right away, try refreshing the page or reopening Edge so the new setting fully applies. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the custom scroll bar in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.